Taurus, hi there. Hope you're doing great. I'm your host Vikas Chandra Padarilla. Let's do your reading for the month of August 2020 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. Bottom of the deck, you got Fool card. So deep inside, you know you want to take leap with regards to your life in whatever endeavor you're looking for, but you're kind of scared. Okay, but I feel like the time comes and you're gonna take that step for sure. And this is a new beginning, guys. The Fool card, it's gonna help you grow as an individual for sure. It can be anything with regards to finances, with regards to any part of your life. And also you're very attractive in the month of August, and Son of Wands is called as the Prince Charm, and first card is the strongest card in my readings. Son of Wands is a Prince Charm, someone who is standing out in the crowd and everyone are looking at him as someone who has achieved a lot in life. Victory is also Son of Wands, someone who is feeling very happy about themselves, quite prideful. Okay, good way, Taurus. Sometimes it can be, yeah, definitely I felt that before this card came out. You have to love yourself for sure, but you have to not be a narcissist. Okay, you know very well. Okay, I'm not here to tell you who you are. You know very well about yourself. Okay, it can be either opposite to that also. Okay, what I just told you before, because Five of Cups can go either ways. It means imbalance of emotions. That's the reason this horse is feeling sad. Emotionally deep down it is happy, but it is sad with regards to something of being happy. That means it has to be either expecting a lot from others, or loving yourself so much that it came to a point where you become a narcissist. So either ways it's very imbalanced, and it also suggests that you have to balance your heart chakra. Okay, your heart chakra vibrates in a green color, a green light, and the best crystal you can use is either green jade or tree agate. Okay, it looks like this. Anything which relates to green color, especially green agate and green jade, these two crystals will definitely help you heal this Five of Cups energy, because your heart chakra is being little imbalanced. Okay, in the month of August there's nothing to worry about as much, but definitely that might be something which is stopping you to move forward, as I just told you before, that Fool card in the bottom of the deck. Maybe that is making you a little scared. 5 is definitely significant for you for sure in the month of August. Check it out, because you got Five of Cups, which I showed you before. Now it is Five of Wands. Both are 5. Okay, the number 5 is definitely significant for you. The number 55 also might be significant for you. And Five of Cups next to Five of Wands, if you look at it, you are unnecessarily fighting with regards to something in your life. It has to do with emotions. So unnecessary fights, and it will definitely make you feel unhappy. Okay, so it might be you who is initiating the fight or someone else in this case, but either ways this fighting situation is definitely not helping you. It is definitely making you unhappy, is what I'm saying. Solution, if you ask me, anytime I can tell you, it might be you or someone else who is initiating the fight. The best way to get rid of fight all the time is to just there's nothing wrong in accepting that the other person is right. Okay, if you just do that, you can see there will be no fighting. There will be nothing wrong if you say the other person who is fighting, or saying that you're wrong in the case. There's nothing wrong that just saying and accepting that they're right. There's nothing wrong. It doesn't make the situation different. It doesn't mean that they're right, even though if they're wrong. By just accepting that they're right, you won't fight, right? There'll be no fight at all. So try that out. Son of Swords, definitely. It feels like someone is poking you unnecessarily. So, Son of Swords. And Son of Swords is definitely a very fast moving. Very, very fast. One of the fastest cards in tarot. Son of Swords. There is no other fastest card in tarot other than Son of Swords. Okay. It might be you or someone else. Again, as I told. It might be that someone else also, more majorly, because they can't see you standing out like the Son of Wands, and due to that, you'll attract that vibration. But it is up to you how you receive it also. So it might be both of them. Okay, you know it much better. Yeah, I feel like it might be both of them, because you got Justice, which is Libra, scale, balance, black and white, law of polarity, right? Justice, it's the balance. So it might be both of you. So either one has to drop the stick of this Five of Wands. Someone has to drop the stick. Why don't you do it? Okay, you're not gonna feel hurt. If you just drop the stick, they will also drop the stick. They won't even attack you. I can promise you that for sure. Justice, there'll be karma. Cause and effect. Just drop the stick, automatically within seconds they are going to drop the stick of this Five of Wands. There'll be no fights. Okay, try that out, because you have to trust the nature and the hermetic principle that you have to do it. It's not a major thing. You're not in a very difficult situation. It's just a small fight which is going around. It might be in your social circle, which is definitely making your emotions unhappy. Five of Cups is definitely very, very sad card to come out. 10 of Swords. Okay, now this is deep for sure. 10 of Swords is definitely deep. You're feeling like you're backstabbing at yourself. You're feeling that you are the one who is making yourself unhappy. You're feeling that you're attacking the swords by yourself. Backstabbing. 10 of Swords. So why not meditate before you even do anything now, Taurus? And you got the bull. You can see the bull. It definitely relates. 10 of Swords, the meaning of 10 of Swords is backstabbing. Okay, on yourself. There's no one around. You're just backstabbing on yourself. And you're feeling dead. As if you're dead. And you can see Taurus, the zodiac sign Taurus is represented by the bull. And you can see which animal is over here. Exactly, the bull. The meaning is same. The card representation of pictorial representation is also same. It is you. Okay. 10 is completion. Okay. You're feeling like you're almost dead. Okay. Lot of pain emotionally. 2 of Cups. Definitely with regards to emotions, because you got 5 of Cups, and exactly below that you got 2 of Cups, which is emotional fulfillment, either in relationships or anything, because you got 10 of Swords next to 2 of Cups. You are feeling painful, and with regards to the relationship, you're thinking about that. It may be a failure. Okay, or it might be something which you want to achieve but you're not able to get it. 2 is definitely someone else also is involved. 2, right? It might be you also, but I feel like someone else is definitely involved here. And emotions are definitely there. You're feeling that emotions and sad emotions. Okay, let's continue. Yeah. I saw 2 cards. I'll take these 2 cards. and it flipped over. Okay, Seven of Swords, Ace of Cups. Cups is emotions, guys. Seven of Swords is feeling scared. Sword is the mind. You're feeling scared to communicate something about your emotions to someone, is what I'm saying. That is the Two of Cups, Seven of Swords, and Ace of Cups here. You're feeling scared to communicate about your emotions with regards to someone. Okay, is definitely what I'm seeing. You're waiting for them to come to you also, but I don't know. You're feeling scared that fights will start. Five of Wands. But you have the emotions to share. But you're scared. Seven of Swords. Solution is you have to clear this Ten of Swords. You have to meditate. Okay, you have to relax. I feel like definitely things will go fine after doing that. You have to meditate. You have to be very light-hearted. You have to open your heart. You have to feel very light and connect with the divine. And when you do that, definitely next time when you do the reading, the cards will appear differently. Okay. Wow, that was actually very fast and I could feel it. Eight of Pentacles. You can see it is working hard. Eight of Pentacles is working hard for finances. The coins. So you definitely have feelings with regards to someone, but you're scared to express that. And I don't know, it might be that you're thinking that fights will start, or it will make you feel unhappy if they communicate wrongly, or start a fight. So that's the reason you stopped thinking about it and you're trying to work on your finances. Eight of Pentacles. You're working very, very hard like the spider to build these finances up. And you're thinking that by doing that, focusing on that, eventually you will find balance in the future, some or the other way. Bottom of the deck, High Priestess. You definitely know a lot of secrets and you're gaining a lot of secrets in the month of August. In the month of August, a lot of knowledge is going to come with regards to spirituality and spiritual things with regards to your life. Some definitely insight is going to come. And you got one major arcana and only one major arcana, that is High Priestess, and it is in the bottom of the deck. Okay, and if you take this bottom of the deck, deep inside there is Mother of Wands, which is your mom, who is taking care of this X, which is you. So lot of secrets with regards to your life and your childhood. Mother of Wands is your childhood. You have grown from this X, right? So secret deep inside, very, very deep inside. If you connect deep inside your soul, you're going to get a lot of spiritual knowledge. And learning that spiritual knowledge, you'll also keep your consciousness go back, into the past, your childhood memories, and you're going to connect there. And you're just going to sit and just think about it. Okay, you're going to just sit and think about it, like this white tiger is thinking a lot. Okay, that's all I have for you, Taurus. If you do want to watch the reading again to get more clarity, you have to definitely watch it. And I feel like I can definitely sense there is a lot of emotional pain, and sometimes your mind is also feeling a little painful because of that. You're not able to focus a lot on your finances also because of this swords which is in the mind. And but you're working, you have the capacity to still work and get your finances stable, build on your finances. I feel like you have to meditate and connect with spiritual realms and within yourself for sure. The best way you can do is just meditate, relax, and just think about yourself, all the childhood things, maybe how you've grown, how your mom took care of you, what your mom thought in your childhood or in the past while you're growing up. So these things. will definitely help a lot, for sure. That's all I have for you, Taurus. If you do want to watch the reading, as I said, feel free to do that anytime. And if you need guidance, do comment down below. I'll be happy to reply for you guys. Or if you don't want to comment publicly, share publicly, you can definitely message me in Messenger, Facebook Messenger. I'm also available in WhatsApp. All the details is mentioned in the description box, including my website. And also you can contact me in Twitter also. Okay. Until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, click on the bell icon to get notified. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you, Taurus.